me again. Today the crossings are going down. Oh yeah. You listen to that bell, guys. General Signals versus the WC Hayes mechanical bell. So we got a maintenance truck worker coming for the Canadian Pacific Railway. The lights and bells and gates are in action now. Just stand a little back. So here she comes. Well, here she comes, guys. Truck on the rails. Woohoo! Let's give him a big old wave, shall we? There they go in. And let the gates go up. Oh yeah, okay. See you later, guys. Have a great day.